Hello, welcome to OSCR's introduction video series on the ChemDraw software provided by the University of Arizona. ChemDraw is a drawing program that allows users to sketch skeletal structures of chemical compounds. In this video, you will learn how to open a new document and edit your toolbar views on ChemDraw. When your computer has opened the desktop version of the ChemDraw 19.0 application, you will start with a blank gray screen. The first step to opening a new document will be to go to the top left of your page and click on File. After clicking on File, you will go down and click on the first option that reads New Document. Or another way that you could open a new file would be by hitting Ctrl-N at the same time on your keyboard. At this point, you should have a new document pop up on your screen. Now let's go ahead and add the toolbars you will need in order to draw your basic chemical compounds. After opening up a new document, you will go back up to the top of the page and click on View. Once you click on View, there will be a list of toolbars in the window that will drop down. You will then click on the Main toolbar, BioDraw toolbar, General toolbar, and Structure toolbar. Normally when you click on your wanted toolbars, they will show up on the side of your document. You can always move around the toolbars in whichever way you would like. I personally find it a lot easier for me to look up the toolbars I'm going to need when I put them all up together at the very top of the page. You have now set up a new document with all the toolbars you will need in order to draw your basic chemical compounds. This concludes the second video of the How to ChemDraw series here at the Office of Students Computing Resources, also known as OSCR. Video number 3 of this series will help you master the toolbars you have just set up in your new document. I hope this was helpful and thank you for your time.